Hi guys, welcome to Techifilla channel. My name is Praveen Kumar and I am the founder of techifilla.com. I intend to make a series of videos on AWS topics, and let's start our first video with Amazon EC2 instances. So what is Amazon EC2? Amazon EC2 or Elastic Compute Cloud is a web service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. In other words, it's a virtual machine provided by Amazon on their cloud. Amazon EC2 instances are scalable, elastic, and simple to use. Scalability means you can increase or decrease the compute capacity as required for your workloads. Elasticity means you can provide or you can provision the right size of the compute capacity that is required to run your workloads. That means you don't need to over provision or under provision the compute capacity. So let's look at a real life example. Let's assume that you want to go on a tour and you do not have a car. You are looking for a rental car. There are some key aspects that you would look at on a rental car. Number one, you would look at the size of the car, whether it fits your family or not. Number two, you would look at the fuel efficiency of the car. So you may go for either petrol car or diesel car depending upon the fuel consumption and the economy of the fuel. Number three, you would also look at the storage space in the car. You may want to put a lot of luggage in your car. So these are some three key aspects that you would look at when renting a car. Similarly, you don't have a server at the moment and you want to go for a server on the cloud. So Amazon provides you elastic compute capacity on the cloud with all these three aspects being taken care of. In Amazon Web Services, EC2 is further classified into two. Number one, instances. Number two, Amazon Virtual Images. Instances, as we seen in our previous slide, are virtual computing environments on the cloud. Amazon Virtual Images are pre-configured templates for your instances that package the bits you need for your server, including the operating systems and the additional software required to run your workloads. So now if you go back to our previous example, let's say you need some additional features for your car. The additional features may be a music system and an additional toddler seat. The company can provide you a car that has a inbuilt music system and they can provide you a mountable toddler seat. Both EC2 instances and AMIs are further classified. Let's take a look at them. EC2 instances are further classified into compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, and general purpose instances. Compute optimized instances are designed for applications that requires high performance processors. Memory optimized instances are designed for fast performance that process large sets of data. And storage optimized instances are designed for workloads that require high sequential read write and store large sets of data. The last one is the general purpose. This is a balanced mixture of all the other three: compute, memory, and storage. That's the general purpose instance. Amazon AMIs are further classified into four categories: AWS provided AMIs, shared AMIs, paid AMIs, and private AMIs. AWS provides few AMIs for their users to use. When we launch an EC2 instance, we see a number of AMIs being displayed in Amazon console, and they are the AMIs shared by Amazon. Shared AMIs are shared by other users or developers for free. Paid AMIs are similar to shared AMIs, but they are not for free. We need to pay price to purchase that AMI. Private AMI are created for individual purpose or for a specific project purpose and not shared with other users. Now let's take a look at the storage part of EC2 instances. EC2 instances comes with two types of storage, elastic block storage and instance storage. In simple terms, elastic block storage is like an external pen drive which you can plug in when you need to copy the data or when you need to store the data and plug out when you don't need the data. Having said that, you can plug in and plug out to any instance when it comes to elastic block storage. Also, when you stop or when you terminate EC2 instances, your volumes and your data remain safe because they are independent from the instance you are working on. Instance storage is ephemeral storage. That means when you actually stop the instance, the data along with the instance get destroyed. So it is an internal storage like a storage inside your laptop or a desktop. Finally, let's take a look at the pricing part of EC2. EC2 instances comes with three types of pricing: on-demand pricing, reserved pricing, and spot pricing. On-demand pricing is like pay as you go. You pay for only what you use, and there is no long-term commitment or upfront payment. Reserved instance, you make a reservation for a specific instance configuration for a period of minimum 1 year or 3 years. Finally, spot pricing. There are some instances, unused instances, which you can use by bidding a spot price. And if you win the bid, you can use those instances. Even here, you don't have a long-term commitment and you have to be flexible on the timing front for these kind of instances. There is a fourth category called savings plan, which is a new feature that has come in EC2 pricing part. This actually works out an economical package for the instances that you use. Across all the three other categories, if you make a savings plan, it would calculate and provide you what is the saving that you could achieve when you actually go for a plan of 1 year or 3 years. So that's about EC2 pricing. That's the end of my first video. I hope this is helpful for beginners. And if you like my video, kindly share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.